Hi there, how are you guys? I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm gonna tell you about materials I use to create my artworks. Usually I prefer not to tell it because I understand that we all have different paints, brushes and paper. Some of you prefer cotton paper, others pulp. Sometimes you use completely different colors and your artworks looks even more interesting than mine. Yeah, a few days ago I received a question in the comments about the materials I use, so I will try to answer, and if you find it helpful, then keep watching this video and create your artworks.
Firstly, I want to tell you about my paper. I prefer using cotton paper or maybe paper that contains some percent of cotton, like this Fabriana. It contains 25% of cotton. The density of watercolor paper is important. Thick paper is more expensive but also of better quality. I do love Sanders Waterford paper, it's my favorite one. It contains 100% of cotton and 300 grams density. I usually choose albums in gluing, it's more convenient for me, and there is also cardboard. You can use it even without an easel. I use this wooden palette for painting. It's really useful and comfortable for me. Usually I buy paints in tubes and put them on the palette. Some time ago I discovered a new brand of watercolor paints. It's Shihan Watercolor. Professional paints, but it's not very expensive. It has really bright, saturated and interesting colors, which is cool for experiments. Most often I use these shades to create artworks on this channel. It's yellow light, red, opera, cobalt blue, violet, raw amber and red ochre. And two more colors from the Nevskaya Palitra brand. It's ultramarine and indigo. These are not special colors and you can easily find them in any hobby shops. Sometimes when I want to leave part of the sheet white, I can use special drawing gum for masking paper. It works like this. And I also often use light gouache for some effects on dried watercolors. For example, like this. I don't have a very large set of brushes. The largest got here from AliExpress to wet the sheet. And I also love the brushes from the Rublev brand. This is a squirrel imitation. It's my favorite. And a few different sizes of synthetic brushes. Well, I want to tell you about a few other tools that I need to create artworks. A pencil, hair dryer to dry layers of watercolor, scotch tape and a container of water to wet the paper in the process of painting. So that's all. Now you know about all my drawing materials. Thank you for watching.